Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today we're going to be checking out the brand new vivo Y77 5G that just landed here in Malaysia. Now Vivo is saying that this device here is made for the youth, that's why it comes with the Y at the front, but it's got a couple of key features that Vivo wants me to share with you guys. So let's check out what's really interesting about the Y77 5G. Now first things first, we have to go through the unboxing process, although you guys can see I've already held the device. So let me show you a very quick clip on what's actually in the box. Now first things first, as soon as you unbox the device, of course, straight up you will be able to see the phone itself. Now beneath the phone, this is where you are able to see you have the transparent case, you have a couple of manuals, and more importantly you also have the charger and the cable in the box. Now the charger is an 18-watt unit, so basically the phone itself supports 18-watt fast charge, and you have a Type A to Type C cable that's also there to help you out. So that's basically everything that you get in the box, very standard stuff. But right now let's jump over and check out everything that you need to know about the vivo Y77. Alright, so Vivo actually came up with this campaign. They are saying that this device here consists of 4 key points. They are saying that it's long, it's big, it's clear, and it's fast. Now, don't laugh at me. This is what Vivo actually came up. And the reason for those 4 points here, let's go over them one by one. Alright, so the reason why they're saying that it's big, that's because it comes with a large memory inside, 256 gigabytes to be precise, and that means you can save a lot of your pictures, videos, applications, and everything that you want in the phone itself. So that's why it's big. Now moving on to the second one, it's long. So why is it long? Well, that's because you do have a 5000 mAh battery on board, and this means that you have a long battery life. So don't think anything else, long battery life, guys. Now the next one, the third one here, is that it's clear. Now the reason why it's clear is because it does come with a 50 megapixel camera. Yes, notice we do have a dual sensor setup there. The other sensor is a 2 megapixel macro, but the clear one is the 50 megapixel main sensor, so you should be able to take some pretty decent shots outdoors, indoors, and all that. I'll put up a couple of samples here so you can see what to expect with that 50 megapixel main sensor. Now the last one, it's fast. So why is it fast? Now the reason for that is because it comes with a Dimensity 810 5G. Now this Dimensity 810 is something that we have tested before. It's a mid-range processor at best, but the good news here is that it comes with 5G on board, so you don't have to worry about not being able to get faster speeds when 5G lands here in Malaysia. Overall, just in terms of performance, you should be able to get some pretty decent performance, some basic gaming on the Dimensity 810. So those are the 4 points there. It's big, it's long, it's also clear, and it's fast. Alright, so apart from that, of course, there's also other stuff that you might need to know about the phone itself. In terms of the design, I do kind of like this design. We have this very typical kind of glowing kind of color at the back. It's sort of bluish, purplish, depending on how you shift the device. It's a very nice flat back. You also have a flat frame all around. If you move on to the bottom, you notice that we still have that headphone jack, and that's always good. It only comes with a single firing speaker though, so that's something that you need to take note of. And yeah, in terms of the camera module, I like the way manufacturers these days are going with these larger circles to indicate that it's a larger sensor, but actually it's actually quite small on the insides there. So yep, that's what you get in terms of the design. Now at the front, you do get a pretty decent LCD display. It's a 60 Hz. There's no high refresh rate over here, but it's good enough for basic use, day-to-day kind of use. Otherwise, in terms of price, so what is the price here? In Malaysia, the vivo Y77 5G is going for RM1299, and Vivo is saying that if you pre-order the device, they'll give you a couple of freebies. I think it comes with a voucher. It also comes with, what's that? It also comes with a TWS earbud, so you also get that. And more importantly, I think you also get like an extended 1-year warranty and a 1-year screen crack warranty. So you don't have to worry if you smash your phone by accident or anything like that. You are covered. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what the vivo Y77 5G is all about. Again, just to remind you, it's fast, it's big, it's long, and it's clear. Alright guys, if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for staying all the way till the end. I hope you liked today's video, and I definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye.